Hello my friends, welcome to our channel Celebrity Lifestyle. Now in this video we are going to tell you about Hanna Cast in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Hanna Cast is a well-known curvy model who has gained attention for her incredible work in the modeling industry, born and raised in the United States. Hanna always had a passion for fashion. Her journey into modeling began when she started sharing her outfit and fashion tips on social media. With her unique style and confident personality, she quickly caught the eye of various brands and followers. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.